Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So, not much is going on today, besides getting her and the dog ready to go to Mimi's house this weekend, which is my husband's mom's house. They are keeping her and the dog the entire weekend, so we haven't had like alone time in a little while. She's measuring stuff with the tape measure. So, yeah, so we haven't had alone time in a little while. So I'm pretty excited about that, which we have a little trip planned for ourselves for 24 hours. We are going up to New York, and we're going to camp the night out Saturday night, and then Sunday we are going to Watkins Glen. So if you don't know what Watkins Glen is, it is Watkins Glen State Park. It is waterfalls in this gorge area, and they have kind of like a little trail. It's like stone trail that you follow up next to the waterfalls from what I could see in pictures. We've never been there before, so this is our first time going. From pictures that I've seen, I have a couple friends who have been there, so I've seen like pictures kind of here and there. It looks gorgeous, and I can't wait to go. I've been wanting to go for a while now. We were gonna go last year, but we had to end up canceling because we decided to go visit my husband's little sister down at the beach last year. They're normally gone at the beach all summer, and she called him up and she missed him, so we ended up going to see her down there. And yeah, so I'm excited to actually get there this year. I'm excited to take you guys along. I won't be filming on the way up there just because I will mostly be driving because I get car sickness if I'm in like the passenger seat. Hi. So yes, I won't be filming on the way up there, and then I probably honestly won't film too much at the campground site just because like my husband and I, we haven't really had time to ourselves in a while, so I kind of just want to spend that time with him, like us spend time together and just not really worry about filming and just actually being together. So I might film like kind of here and there at the campground, but I probably won't film too much at the campground. But at Watkins Glen, I'm going to film like everything because like I want you guys to see it too. So that is our plan for this weekend. So she's getting ready to head over to Mimi's house here shortly. Tomorrow, we'll be leaving to go to Watkins Glen. So, yeah, I'm excited that we're going to go, and I can't wait, and the weather is going to be so nice, and it's not going to be, like, blistering hot, and overnight, it's not going to get cold, it's not going to get hot, it's going to be, like, 70 degrees, which is, like, perfect, and I can't wait. It's been forever since we have been camping. We're not going to get there till like 6 o'clock at night though, so we'll see. But it'll be fun, and I can't wait. Hi. Oh, you saying hi? Say hello. Hello. All right, well, I'm going to get this one to her Mimi's house. Yeah, and then I will see you guys at the campground. See you then. All right, guys, so here's our little campsite. Got our little fire pit here. We got our picnic table. And of course, our tent. We get to finish setting up yet. Yeah, so we are camping in the middle of nowhere. It's a campground that's literally in the middle of the woods, up near Watkins Glen. So now we just have to basically finish setting up. So let's go. actually like pretty clear. It's so clear. I can hear a waterfall.
That's like the shit I want to find. It's natural that no one else goes to. And you just like kayak down there.
Like, it's so cool.
Just like kayak down and you find whatever you need.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue, and you are shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. Ooh, we can see so clear. 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 Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue, and you are shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is
I kind of like so soaked. A lot of steps.
Yep.
It's a good hike though. It's nice. There's a lot of bridges too. What's that guy's name that does?
through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams
back from our trip now. It was a lot of fun. It was kind of a little hard to film while we were there just because there was a lot of people because we went on a weekend. So it was just so many people. It was packed, and it would have been like too hard to kind of blur people's faces out because like I can't really have people in my videos that I don't have permission from. So I tried to do the best that I could to get shots without people in it, but I couldn't really get like shots of me really talking, like me and my husband talking, because there's just people in front of us, there's people directly behind us, and it just got really like packed. I think it mainly got packed just because, like, especially underneath the one waterfall, people were, sorry, my kid's handing me toys. People were stopping to take selfies underneath the walkway where the one waterfall was coming over, so that kind of like held everybody up and what made it, I think, so packed. So yeah, so we pretty much always had, oh, thank you for the cars. We pretty much always had people behind us, like directly behind us, people directly in front of us, and it's just, yeah, I couldn't really film the way that I really wanted to, so I apologize about that. I tried to get the best clips that I could without really having other people in it or minimizing it to where I could easily blur out their faces and stuff. So I apologize about that, but yeah, I mean, I definitely recommend going to Watkins Glen. It was gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it was just really pretty. The waterfalls were amazing, and it's a lot of steps. I will say that there's a lot of steps going up. One neat part is that you don't have to hike back down. You can hike up, and then there's a shuttle at the top that will shuttle you back down to the parking lot. So at the top there's a shuttle. It'll shuttle you back down if you want to, or you can either walk back down the way that you came next to the falls, or there's another trail. I think it was called the Indian Trail. I think it was what it was called. It kind of like is above. So like above here is like the Indian Trail, and then there's the Gorge Trail, which is along the waterfalls and stuff. And then sometimes, oh, thank you so much. So sometimes they have, from the Indian Trail, there's actually like a couple lookout areas, and you can really look over the falls from like way above. Oh, thank you so much. So that was like really cool to see, like a different perspective of the falls than being directly next to them. So I mean, I personally would really recommend walking up the Gorge Trail, and then instead of taking the shuttle back, hike the Indian Trail back, so you don't miss those like little observation points where you can really look out. Otherwise, yeah, it was super easy to get to. You do have to pay for parking, but there's like 2 different parking lots that you can park in case one's full. You can go to the bigger one. I would definitely suggest getting there right as it opened. I think it opens at 9 a.m. But yeah, otherwise, it was a super cool trip. I would definitely do it again. I think I would probably do it during like a weekday when maybe the kids are back to school, or just maybe a weekday during the summer when people are working and not on a weekend. But otherwise, like, it's definitely 100% worth going there. I highly suggest it. I mean, it's just amazing. It's like in a gorge thing, so sometimes it opens up more and other times it doesn't. Like, it's really narrow. The cliffs that like the water's in between is amazing to see. Like, I've never seen something like that, so that was awesome to see. Apparently they're made from continental shifts, and that's how it was made and stuff. So yeah, I mean, it's really gorgeous and pretty. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't get to film the way that I wanted to. Hopefully next time I will be able to. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure you hit the like button and you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will see you next time. Bye!